Today network uncle is cheating us. Yeah, at least now we came live. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to start the class. Okay. Now listen. Too much. Yes. Good evening, Bhavya. How was the questions? How was the test? Please, can you say? Science exam. Can you share the question paper in the group? The materials which we have discussed. There any help came? Hmm. Uh-huh. Okay. I think yesterday physics we have discussed that physics questions was done, nicely done. That physics questions was there, na? So that was nice only. Now we will be heading towards our next section. Please kindly check, children. Good evening, Chahil. Sorry, beta, for being not present for few days. Now auntie is back. Good evening, sir. How are you, sir? Yeah, you got it. Now, come on, children, listen. Tanisha, are you there in the group? Now, come on, children, listen very nicely. We are talking about congruency. In the triangle section, congruency is one of the most important things. Okay. Now, you need to understand some view. The first important, how can two figures be congruent? So you will be saying meter, their area, everything will be equal. Their perimeter and area will also become equal. So when two figures of same, what you call same figure means same type triangle, understood? We have to take two triangle or we have to take two circles, understood? And then we have to check, is it congruent or not? So that's the content related to congruency, understood? Now we need to understand some few facts related to 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Can you check this one out? Angle A, angle B. So if this side will be equal, so this corresponding to this side, these angles will be equal. So corresponding this side, angles will be equal. Understood. So corresponding to that side's angle will be equal. So that's another important point to be noted. So please kindly pay attention here. So if somebody will be asking you about, yes, Nisha, hi. So now look here, beta. So here we need to understand another important point. Got it? One by one, we'll start recapitulating the things. Hi, Nisha. So here, the next important point, if somebody will be asking you, then you can say that in a triangle, if this side will be equal to this side, then what you can say A, B, C. Understood? So side opposite to yeah, Atar, good evening, beta. So now if AB is equal to AC, then angle B will be equal to angle C. Means angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. This is one criteria. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. That is another criteria, another theorem we have to prove. But we are not proving here because we will use it at the time when we are doing congruency. Second fact is if two angles are equal. So now look here, if these two internal angles of a triangle are equal, that means this angle is equal to this angle. Understood? So that means what? Then there, if that means what? A, B, C, if angle B is equal to angle C. That means if angles are equal, then there is corresponding sides will become equal. So what is that? Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. So that's the most important thing we must remember. Understood? So sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Got it? So this is another theorem for triangle. Now if somebody will ask you how to make two triangles congruent. So what you are saying, there are certain criteria through which we can make two triangles congruent. What are the criteria through which we can make two triangles congruent? The answer is SAS, side angle side. Then ASA and CPCT is corresponding part of congruent triangle. RHS is right hypotenuse side. Very good. Huh? Triple S is side, side, side. Correct? ASA, angle, side, angle. So these are the certain criteria through which we can make two triangles congruent. But you need to remember one thing. Many students now they're doing mistake here. So if I want to make these two triangles congruent, what and all things we are needing here? So if we want to make these two triangles congruent, now if this side is equal to this side, we will put one line here. That means this angle is equal to this angle. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. So always remember the respective way of writing the answer. Always like here A, B, C and here D, E, F. So always write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. So how we are writing ABC is congruent to triangle DEF? Did you notice here that when you are writing triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF, 1, 2. Understood? And in between angle is coming. Side, angle, side. So what is the criteria here? Side, angle, side. What is that? Side, angle, side. Correct, na? So here side angle side means SAS criteria. So next part is, so we will see some questions. Okay, side angle side angle, side angle, angle side angle is not there. It is angle side. What it is? Angle side and right hypotenuse side. Understood? So based on all this, yes. No. Angle side angle means what? You need to understand what is angle side angle. If somebody will be asking you what is angle side angle, then that time you need to remember one thing. This is angle, this is side and this is angle. This is called as angle side angle. Understood? But if somebody will ask you, this is called as angle side angle. But if somebody will ask you angle side, so this one will become angle side. Did you understood the difference? Angle side angle and angle side. That's the basic difference between angle side and angle side angle. I hope you might have understood. Right hypotenuse side means one of the side must be equal to right angle. So this is called as right hypotenuse side. So this hypotenuse should be equal, this should be 90 degree and any one of the side you have to take equal. So that's considered as right hypotenuse side. What it is considered as? Right hypotenuse side. Is my voice breaking or is it okay now? Right hypotenuse side. Come on, say children, is it okay now? Yeah, angle side, angle, right hypotenuse side, side. So these are the criteria through which we can make the respective corresponding sides and angles equal. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say quickly children, did you understood this part? Yes. So now we will go for the next part. Are you ready for it? Am I audible? Am I audible? Now, beta, we will do our first question. Now, in this question, what and all is given? Now, listen very carefully what is given in the question. Now, look at ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Now, first, show that these altitudes are equal. So, this is the question what we have to do. So first work what we are going to do beta? We will be first writing the contents. We will be first seeing the triangle. Okay. So this is the triangle given to you. So when this in triangle, what they are asking to you, ABC, what is given to you? First we are going to write. So what is given? So full question I am solving. In given section, what you are going to say? ABC. Very good. Is an isosceles triangle. Everyone start writing. Isosceles triangle. Got it? Altitude BE and CF are drawn to equal sides. So if isosceles triangle, that is AB is equal to AC and angle B will be equal to angle C by property of isosceles triangle. By property of what? By property of isosceles triangle. Understood? F and D are that we will do it. Okay. Now look here, beta. After that, what we need to do? After that, what they're telling? AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC given, na? Correct, na? Now we will do one work. What is to prove? So what is altitude? CF is perpendicular to AB and BE is perpendicular to AC. You need to write everything. I will check because now exams are there. Exams are there. You must be writing everything. Come on. I'm giving you space to write. Please kindly understand this. So now what you need to prove? To prove that CF equal to BE. CF is equal to BE. This is what you need to prove. This is what given to you. So according to the question, what is given to us, what we are doing, we are trying to prove this question. Is it okay for you? Done? Now beta, what should be our next strategy? We will take triangle here and now we will do operation of triangle. This is one altitude, correct? This is another altitude, correct? Now beta, what it is? A, B, C. Now what is the next part, beta? This is E and this is F. Now what next we are going to do is we will take out the triangle. So if in your place I will be there, I will take out this triangle first. So I'm taking out triangle. Please pay attention here. I'm taking out first this triangle. I'm coloring it with red color. Got it? So here this triangle first I have taken out. In this triangle, this is A, this is E, and that side is C. Okay, va? AEC. But here, AEB. Got it? So this is perpendicular. Got it? Now this is complete angle A. So one triangle I have taken out like this. Please pay attention here. One triangle I have taken out. This triangle which I have taken out, I have marked with red color. Okay. Now I am going to take out another triangle with blue color marking. This is the another triangle I am taking out. Okay. And here it is 90 degree. So this is the another triangle I am taking out. This is 90 degree. This is A, F and C. Okay. Already now with these two triangles outside, what is our next work to do? Already this side is equal to this side given. This is 90 degree. Correct? Check this one out. This is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. This side is equal to this side given. What is the next one we are searching? The next part is in both the triangle, if you will see, this angle A is common. What is common? Angle A is common. So once you have seen this part, now it's only up to you to write. Got it? So now we are going to start writing. So we are going to blame which triangles? We are going to blame triangle AEC and triangle AFC. Done? So we will write in this section. In the proof section, we will start. So this is exactly the construction we were needing. So we did it so that we can understand. Good evening, Vinay. So what we are going to write here, beta? In triangle, after taking out, in triangle AEC and triangle AFC. AFC. Now, beta, AEC and AFC. Now, what you are going to say? So, first thing is AB is equal to AC, which we have already claimed. Why? Because triangle ABC is isosceles triangle or directly refer given section. Understood? Good evening, Vinay. So directly refer what? Given section. So we can write it as, okay, it is already given, isosceles and everything. So once anyone can refer this, they'll understand what we have written. Done? After that, AB is equal to AC because it is an isosceles triangle. Now, again another part, BE. So angle AEB, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC. Again, what reference? Given. Again, what reference is? Given. Understood? Because in the given section, very clearly we have mentioned. Understood? So whenever you approach any geometry questions, you need to write it very particularly. No need to be too much. Understood? Just give it what is needed there. Got it? Now the next part. So these two things we have. Now beta, what is common here? Angle A. So what we can write? Angle CAE is equal to angle, sorry, BAE is equal to angle CAF, common. Now, which criteria we are going to use here? No, it is not side angle side. Children, those who are watching the video, can you tell me which criteria we must use? Because we have taken out both the triangles. One is 90 degree, angle, side. When I already told the answer. What is the answer? Angle, side. What is that, beta? Angle, side. Angle, side. So the triangle, what triangle we have written? AEB. Now we have taken AEC, sorry, AEB. Again I am writing C. So triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AFC by AAS. And by CPCT? AE is equal to AE, because they asked this, now sorry, CF. Now all respective sides will become equal. Now all respective sides will become CF. AE will be equal to AF, and if they will ask AE is equal to F also, you can do. Now BE is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. AE is equal to AF. This angle also will be equal to this angle, because now corresponding sides and angles will become equal, and this is called as CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Understood? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. By that CPCT, we will make them equal. I hope, is it clear to all of you? Note down, please, one by one. Triangle we will not be doing in hurry burry. So please kindly note down one by one, step by step draw. What triangle I have drawn, please kindly draw it. Done? So please beta note down carefully, because in triangle sections, in what you call, we will solve many questions. Now we'll go for marathon also. One day, 1.5 hours, I will be exactly explaining. Full session, 2 chapters together, material we will be bringing. Okay. Shall we go for the next question? But are you ready? So this is NCERT question. This is one of the very important question. We will go for some internal questions also, extra questions also. Okay. Now this is done. C, B is equal to CF. Yes, B is equal to CF by CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. B is equal to CF. I think you have done beta. Huh? Now we will go for the next part. Note down. Clearly draw the diagrams also. Sorry, draw the figures also. With neat effort, draw the figure. Use pencil in your classwork note in school 1. And draw it. Okay, shall we go for the next question? Now next question is your area. Just try to solve the next question, not in hurry burry. We will learn these things in slow, because today net was very slow. Now we'll go for this question, beta. Come on, do this question. Now we will go for this question. In figure 7.2, AD is equal to BC are equal. AD, BC equal. So if we will do operation of this figure, the first thing what they have given is AD is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. And this is 90 and this is 90. and what they are telling that are equal, AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. Okay. Show that CD bisect AB. What you need to prove? CD bisect AB. To prove CD bisect AB, understood? To prove CD bisect AB, we need to prove if CD is bisecting AB, means this side should be equal to this side. Done? Now please try. -90°, it is given now. Why? Because we will write OA is perpendicular to AD and OB is perpendicular to BC. We are writing all the statement. Now another thing what is given to you is AD equal to BC. CB or BC. AD is equal to BC. Now we will draw here so that we can understand. This is the triangle. This is coming. Then, now beta here we will do one thing. O, A. See, whenever extra thing is not needed, now we will not do. We will be just doing very simple try logics you apply. So this already we have. Now we will color it. This already we have. Okay. Now this side already equal to this side. Now only look at it. Here this is side angle is there. Now they are, see what word they have used? Line segment perpendicular. They are bisecting. So this word when we are using, that means they are intersecting right now. And whenever they will intersect, what will come? Vertically opposite angles. The moment we will use the concept of vertically opposite angle, this will be vertically opposite angle. So I think what criteria we are going to use, beta? Angle, angle, side. Angle, angle and side. Done na? Angle, angle, side and angle, angle, side. So vertically opposite angle we will be able to prove. So what to prove that? To prove that, what we need to prove, beta? Tell. What we need to prove here? Very good. CD bisects AB. That is, AB bisection means OA is equal to OB. Understood? This is what you need to prove. OA is equal to OB. This is the target point what you have to achieve. OA is equal to OB. Now we will start our proof section. This is given. This is to prove that. Now we will start our proof section. In geometry, be very, very specific that you are writing to the point. Presentation should be very neat, very well presented. Understood? So now beta, we will take the triangle. In triangle OAD and triangle OBC. Now what is given to you? AD is equal to BC. Done na beta? This is already given to you. Done? Now beta, what is given next? Angle OAB is equal to angle OBC. This is also is equal to 90 degrees. This is given. हाँ बेटा. OAD, OBC I have taken. Which one? So this is coming OAD and OBC is coming 90 degree. Okay, very good. AOD is equal to BOC. Super, very good. BOC, what beta? Vertically opposite angles. So once we are writing it as vertically opposite angle, that means we can tell triangle AOD is congruent to triangle is it correct? To triangle BOC. What criteria? Angle, angle, side. Then by CPCT, OA is equal to OB. That is CD bisects AB. Got it? CD bisects AB. Absolutely correct. Those who have solved, please. I asked you something, yaar. Why you people did not say? Ama. Just I was playing with you people. I thought you will be shouting, but you did not shout it. Ah, now I am shouting. Hey. Oh. Now I am shouting. But everybody done, na? You did or not? CD bisect AB. This is the problem in my screen. Understood. But beta, I hope you might have understood how to solve this question. Tough or easy? We have done that one. So OA bisect. So full answer is there. Little bit go back and just pause. You will get the answer. Correct now? Did you note it? Now we will be going for the next question. Oh, this is the very toughest question of NCERT. Come on, children, try this question out. Aye, don't laugh. This is little mistakes. What is the question? They are telling show that ABD is equal to ACD. So here only one thing is there. Sorry, beta, Anjali, Bisa. Few days exams were there, beta. So only I did not came live. Now look, beta. What is given to you? First, we will do that. Huh? No, first whatever is given to you now, you utilize that information. See, look here, this is the triangle, beta. In this triangle, what is given? A, B, D, C. If you will see, this side will be equal to this side already given. This angle, and this angle, this side, this side. So they have given like that. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to utilize the entire given information. Understood? So what is given, first we are going to write that. In our given section, in triangle ABC and triangle DBC, both triangles are isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangle. Therefore, if they both are isosceles triangle, therefore what is going to be, beta? Therefore, AB will be equal to AC and angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Also, what part is there? What will say? BD is equal to CD and angle CBD is equal to angle BCD. Done na beta? By property of isosceles triangle. Done. So this much we have done. Now they are asking what to show that? To prove that or to show that, what we have to do? ABC angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. ACD. Here we need construction. What construction we are needing? We need one putty construction. Done. So what we are going to write? Joining A, D. Okay. Now we will start proof. Now once we have joined, we are going to take the reference sections. Now we have joined these two. Now we are going to take a reference section. Understood? In the reference section, what we are going to say, beta? Already in this triangle, this side is equal to this side. This angle, we will write here double we will do. Done? Now I think everything crystal clear. So, but we are going to take this triangle and this triangle. So in proof section, what we will write? In triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Done? Now beta, already what is given? AB is equal to AC. Given section, please refer. BD is equal to CD. Again refer given section. Now angle. Here you need to write only one small work you need to do. What you need to do here is write down this part, please. So what you are going to write, these two sections you need to write angle ABC equal to angle ACB, angle after that second angle CBD equal to angle BCD. Now we will add this together. They are equal. It is also given. It is also given. Understood? So adding equation 1 and 2. So once we will add, what will come? Angle ABC plus angle CBD equal to angle ACB plus angle BCD. When we will add, it will come angle ABD is equal to angle ACD after adding. Correct, na beta? That two angles adding, it is coming as angle ACD. And once we have added them together, so here what is the criteria? Side angle, side. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by what criteria, beta? Side angle, side. Then by CPCT? What they have asked, already we made it proof without. No. Then we can't take this one because by CPCT we need to prove na. Then we can't take that. If you are taking that triangle na, then we can't take it. After that, we will write that with side we can prove because that we have to prove na. So little bit change we need to do. So this is given. Now you write AD is equal to AD common. AD is equal to AD, beta, because that addition if we are doing this, we need not to prove also. We need not to go by congruency also. By CPCT, AD. So side it will become. So here triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by side. Now by corresponding, then the angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Oh, that was much better, easy way than to go with that section. I hope you might have understood here. Yes, beta. So little. Yes. So that's what. So here you need to understand that one because see why I have changed it, because by addition directly we can do. That's not a big deal. By addition directly we can do, that is not at all a big deal, correct na? But we can't write it by addition, because by addition directly it is coming. I thought another respective side they are asking, but they are not asking the respective side. What they are asking here, beta, they are asking that angle only. By addition to directly it is coming na. So we can't do it. So first we have to prove congruency, and after doing congruency we just need to add it up. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on children, did you understood? Yes, super, very good. Okay, so now last question for today. Let's go for last question of today. This is a very good question. Prove that each angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Each angles of a triangle is 60 degree. So now you need to prove that each angles of a triangle is 60 degree. There is no big rule here. Okay, a very simple technique is there that you need to prove it. No big rules, nothing. We will try to solve it in the more simpler way. So beta, this is the triangle. In this triangle, if you will see, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So all the three sides are equal. So all the three sides are equal. So what is given, beta? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. That means what is given, beta? AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. All sides are equal. Then now what next we are going to do? So we will write proof section. In proof, what we are going to write directly to prove that, here what we need to write? To prove that, here we have to make all angles, angle A is equal to, angle B is equal to, angle C is equal to how much degree? 60 degree. This is what we need to prove. So now we will start the proof section. In proof section, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to, what is given? AB is equal to AC. Correct? AB is equal to AC. That means AB is equal to AC. Then what will be there? Angle B is equal to angle C. This is given. Then what we can say? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle. Equal sides of a triangle are equal. Done na beta? So that means what? This angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because this side equal to this side. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Take it as equation 1. Now we will write next one. BC is equal to AC. BC is equal to AC. What we are going to write? It is again given. So what this now? BC is equal to AC. Now this side angle B is equal to angle A. Now we will write angle B is equal to angle A. What criteria? Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Now from equation 1 and equation 2, what is common? Yes, from equation 1 and equation 2, what is given beta? Angle B is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle A. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle A. So all angles are equal. So therefore, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Why? Sum of angles of triangle. Now we will write 3 angle A is equal to 180 degree. Since angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. So angle A is equal to 60 degree. Angle A is coming as 60 degree. So therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to how much degree? 60 degree. Proof. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, 60 degree. Did you understood here, beta? So this is exactly the work we need to do when we are proving this. I hope everybody understood this one. In exam, will you be able to write like this? Did you noted everything? Okay. Bye everyone. I'm having class with class 10th now. Bye.